Hey everyone, welcome again to learn English sentences. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you some really important sentences that all English learners should know about these sentences. So, the best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. Okay, so before we get started, please subscribe to this channel just over there and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get going. ये सुनकर मुझे बहुत सुकून मिला. I am very relieved to hear that. I am very relieved to hear that. तुम काफ़ी समझदार लगते हो. You seem to be very intelligent. You seem to be very intelligent. मैं बस इतना जानना चाहती हूँ कि तुम आ रहे हो या नहीं. I just want to know whether you are coming or not. I just want to know whether you are coming or not. लेकिन हम सब बुरी तरह घायल हैं. But we all are badly injured. But we all are badly injured. मैं जानता हूँ यह आसान नहीं है, लेकिन हमें यहाँ मदद की ज़रूरत है. I know this isn't easy, but we really need your help here. I know this isn't easy, but we really need your help here. जो तुम आज कर सकते हो उसे कभी भी कल पर मत छोड़ो. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. ऐसा मेरा मानना है. That's what I believe. That's what I believe. लेकिन तुम ये सब मुझे क्यों बता रहे हो? But why are you telling me all this? But why are you telling me all this?
उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तुम्हारे सारे सपने पूरे हो जाएं. आई होप दैट ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू. आई होप दैट ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू.
ये सब कब ख़त्म होगा? When will all this end? When will all this end? मैं यहाँ से बाहर जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to get out of here. I want to get out of here. तुम्हें अब परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं. You don't need to worry now. You don't need to worry now. मैंने ऐसा अपनी मर्ज़ी के ख़िलाफ़ किया. I did it against my will. I did it against my will.
ठीक है, मुझे इस बारे में सोचने दो. ओके, लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट. ओके, लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट.
मैं ऐसा कुछ कभी नहीं करना चाहती थी. I never want to do something like this. I never want to do something like this. हम सबको तुम पर यकीन है. We all have faith in you. We all have faith in you. इस सब की शुरुआत कैसे हुई? हाउ डिड इट ऑल बिगिन? हाउ डिड इट ऑल बिगिन? तुम दोनों को क्या हुआ? What happened with you two? What happened with you two? माफ़ करना मैंने तुमसे इतनी देर इंतज़ार करवाया. I'm sorry I have kept you waiting so long. I am sorry I have kept you waiting so long. जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ उसने ऐसी गलती कभी नहीं की. As far as I know, he has never made such a mistake. As far as I know, he has never made such a mistake. यही तो तुम्हें पता करना है. That's what you have to find out. That's what you have to find out. समझो हो गया. Consider it done. Consider it done. जो मैंने किया मुझे उसका कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I have no regrets for what I have done. I have no regrets for what I have done. तुमने कहा था कोई मुझसे मिलना चाहता था. You said someone wanted to meet me. You said someone wanted to meet me. सच कहूँ तो मैं यहाँ इसलिए नहीं आया हूँ. To be honest, that's not why I have come here. To be honest, that's not why I have come here. अगर मेरे पास समय हुआ तो मैं आऊँगा. I will come if I have time. I will come if I have time. उसे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. He's got something to tell you. He is got something to tell you. चलो अंदर चलकर इस पर बात करते हैं. Let's go inside and talk it over. Let's go inside and talk it over. ये काम मेरे लायक नहीं है. This work is not suitable for me. This work is not suitable for me. मुझे तुम्हारे सोचने का तरीका पसंद है. I like the way you think. I like the way you think. मुझे लगता है हमारी दोस्ती काफ़ी लंबी चलेगी. I think our friendship will last a long time. I think our friendship will last a long time. कोई अंदाज़ा वो कौन हो सकता है? Any idea who that could be? Any idea who that could be? मैंने सबको खतरे में डाल दिया. ये सब मेरी गलती है. I put everyone in danger. It's all my fault. I put everyone in danger. It's all my fault. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. I feel like something bad is about to happen. I feel like something bad is about to happen. अब क्या होगा? What all happen now? What all happen now? मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि वो कुछ ऐसा कहेगा. I never thought he had say something like that. I never thought he had say something like that. तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को कैसे जानते हो? How do you know? How do you two know each other? How do you two know each other? चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए बस मुस्कुराते रहना. No matter what happens, just keep smiling. No matter what happens, just keep smiling. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि इससे तुम्हें खुशी मिलेगी तो आगे बढ़ो और इसे करो. If you think it will make you happy, go ahead and do it. If you think it will make you happy, go ahead and do it. मैं तुम्हें बस खुश देखना चाहता हूँ. All I want is to see you happy. All I want is to see you happy. करीब आधे घंटे तक मैं इंतज़ार करता रहा. I was kept waiting for nearly half an hour. I was kept waiting for nearly half an hour. तुम्हें तो बस अपनी पड़ी है. All you care about is yourself. All you care about is yourself. मुझे नहीं लगता ये बहस करने का समय है. I don't think this is a time for arguments. I don't think this is a time for arguments. क्या तुम्हें लगता है तुम ऐसा फिर से कर सकते हो? Do you think you could do it again? Do you think you could do it again? लेकिन वो मुझे लेने नहीं आया. But he didn't come to pick me up. But he didn't come to pick me up. ये बकवास बंद करो और अपना काम करो. Stop this nonsense and do your work. Stop this nonsense and do your work. मैं जानना चाहूँगा ये किसके लिए काम कर रहा है. I had like to know whom he is working for. I had like to know whom he is working for. Okay, that's all for today. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, so keep practicing, stay happy, take care, bye bye.